Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture on list using HTML. Today we will explore one of the essential aspects of web design, how to create and utilize list in HTML. In this lecture we are going to cover three types of list: ordered list, unordered list and description list. Let me explain one by one and we will discuss their syntax, usage and practical examples. Let us start with a brief introduction. HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So this HTML is a core language for structuring web pages. List in HTML are useful when you want to present some information in a structured and readable manner. So these lists help in arranging data in both ordered as well as unordered formats. There are three types of list we will focus on here. The lists are ordered list, unordered list and description list. Ordered list. So here the sequence of items matters. According to unordered list, the sequence of items does not matter. In description list, which is used to pair terms and their descriptions. Let me explain one by one. Ordered list. Ordered list generally noted with the help of a tag OL. O stands for ordered and L stands for list. So this ordered list also known as OL. So it will be marked with the help of OL tag. These lists display items in a numbered format, so making them ideal for ranking items or outlining steps in a process. The syntax for this ordered list is, here we are using OL tag. OL tag is meant for ordered list, and here within that ordered list have to use LI. LI is nothing but list item. So each list item will be displayed here, and the ending tag is /OL. Here we have start the OL tag, then we are going to end the OL tag at the end of the list. In between beginning OL tag and end of the OL tag, we have to include list item. What are all the list items we are going to list out in the list, that is LI tag. An ordered list with attribute with value. Here we are using, there are many types we have to use within an ordered tag, ordered list. The types are type 1. So there are different HTML styles for ordered list using the type attribute. First one, type is equal to 1. This is used for numbers. So this is the default type for ordered list. The items are displayed with regular numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. It is typically used for steps in a sequence or ranking purpose. We are using this type. The second type is equal to A. So this is used for uppercase letters. This type uses uppercase letters like A, B, C, capital A, B, C to list items. It is useful for differentiating subsections or when you want an alphabetical order. The third type is equal to A, that is small a. So this is used for lowercase letters. So this type displays the list item using lowercase letters like small a, b, c, etc. With the help of small alphabets, we can able to list the list item. So it is often used for sublist or sections or subsections, etc. The next type is equal to I. The type is equal to I, which is used for uppercase Roman numerals. So now we will discuss how we can apply the list with the help of HTML program. HTML program can be implemented in HTML editor. If we have internet connection, we have to use online HTML editor, or otherwise we can use the notepad. I can show how to open the notepad and how to type the program. Let me explain step by step. You can use the notepad file by using start program accessories notepad, or otherwise you can able to use search option. In the search option you can able to type notepad, it will be open. Just maximize the file and you can start with HTML tag. So by all means the HTML program must be starts with a HTML tag. HTML tag defines the start of a HTML document. The next tag is header tag. So this header tag contains metadata and settings for the web page, such as title, everything. Now I can write the title. So title, which will be used to sets the title of a web page. So this will be appears in the browser tab. Here I'm going to give a title as numbered list example. I can close the title tag by using /title. And the next tag is a body tag. So body tag is everything inside the body tag is the content that will be displayed on the web page. Whatever we have given inside the body tag, so that will be displayed in your web page. So after that I can give one heading for my list. So for heading I have to use H1 to H6 tag. H1 is the largest font size and H2 is smaller compared with H1. So I can use H2 tag. So this header element is used to create heading with a text. So I can give ordered list with numbers. This is a heading of my list. I can close the H2 tag. So up to H6 we can use H6 is the most smallest one. So the next is we have to start our ordered list. So as per the syntax, ordered list starts with OL tag. So this OL tag defines the ordered list. The list will be automatically number the items in which we are provided in the list item option. So I can give LI tag. LI is nothing but list item. So here the LI tag is used to define a list item. So here I am going to give a list of fruits name. So I can give apple is my list item. I can close the LI tag. Same way I can give orange. I can close the list item. Next I can give banana. I can close the list item. Next I can give guava. I can close the list item. Next I can give mango. I can close the list item. So here all the list items are over. I can close the OL tag, that is ordered list. So hereafter we cannot able to after giving this /OL we cannot able to insert the list item. If you want to insert, you just insert from the beginning of /OL. So if I want to insert a new fruit, jackfruit means I can insert here. So after finishing this, I can able to close here. OL tag is closed and H2 tag is also closed. Body tag, header tag, HTML tag. So these are the tags remaining. So I can close the body tag here, head tag, then HTML tag. I'm going to save this file. File, save as. I can say numbered list using HTML program dot HTML. So .html is the extension. So this notepad file will be saved as a .html extension. Therefore this notepad file will be changed into web page. That means a browser file. Now I can save this notepad. I can minimize the notepad. See here, the numbered list using HTML program. The notepad file will be changed into browser file, that is a web page. Now I can open. See here, ordered list with the numbers. The title, numbered list example. This is a title of our web page. Numbered list example. This is a title of our web page. And here H2, ordered list with the numbers. This is a title of our list. That is heading of our list. Therefore it is ordered list with numbers will be heading of our list. Then see the list item. There are 6 list items are there. Any number of list item we can able to insert with the help of ordered list. So all these list items will be displayed with the help of numbers, ordered list. If we want to change the type, say for example, I don't want numbers, I want only uppercase alphabets, means I can give type is equal to, within double quotes I can give A, starts with A. So I can save this file and I am just refreshing this web page. See the change. All the list items will be displayed in a ABC order. Now if I want a small ABC, want to list out all the list items in a small ABC. Whenever we are making changes in the notepad, we have to save, otherwise the changes will not be taken place. So now I can refresh this, so I can get the list of items and it will be numbered using small case letters. And if I want a small case Roman numerals, I can give type is equal to I can save the document and I can minimize the document and just give refresh. So it will be changed into small Roman numerals. If I want a capital Roman numeral, I just give capital I, save the document, going to browser, just refresh the page, it will be changed into uppercase Roman numerals. Now, so this page is the background of the page is white. Now I want to change it into some other color. So I can give inside the body tag, I can give BG color. BG color attribute represents background color of your web page. If you want to set blue color, red color, pink color, so you can give any specific color. You can save using file save and just give refresh, so the entire page will be changed into pink color. This is background of a web page. If you want to change the list item into italic format, you just give I tag, I for italic. Close the tag using /i. Save the file. Just give refresh. So the apple list item will be changed into italic format. Or if you want to give bold, means you have to give B tag. B tag is used for bold. /b. Save your file and refresh your document. See here, the text orange will be in a bold format, displayed in a bold format. Now I want to insert underline. So for underline we have to use U. U is for underline. And I can close the U. Now see the magic. The word banana will be underlined. See here, it will be underlined, right? So this is simple. So I hope you can understand what is ordered list and how to apply in a HTML program and how to do formatting. So everything. So by demographically I can explain all these things. So this is I can summarize, this is an ordered list. With the help of ordered list we can able to number, or we can able to sequentially order all the list items inside the list. Next we move on to unordered list. The next is unordered list. Unordered list, which is used to specify the list of items in a, it is not following any specific order. By default the list items will be displayed by using a bulleted points. It does not impose any specific order, therefore we have to use the unordered list. See here, I just display what is unordered. So unordered list is used to represent the collection of items where their order is not important. So which is ideal for listing things, groceries, supplies, miscellaneous items. Whenever we don't want the ordered list, we can use the unordered list to display the list items. Here we have used the UL tag. So UL tag is used to define the unordered list. U for unordered and L for list. Therefore we can use the UL tag. So inside the UL tag we have to use the list item. So for list item we have to use the LI tag. So I can show the syntax of unordered list. The same way we have to, in the ordered list we have used OL tag, ordered list, but here we have to use unordered list, that is UL. So let me explain with the help of HTML program. I can reuse the ordered list. See here, this is a ordered list program. I just change OL into UL, and here also I can change OL into UL, that is unordered list. So all the list items will be same. Now I can save the file and I can open browser. I can refresh the file. See here, by default it will be displayed by using bulleted points. So this is a unordered list. If you want, you can change the appearance of bulleted points in unordered list using the list style type property. So commonly we can use disc, circle, square. So these are the markers which will be used to specify the unordered list. Say for example, I can mention the UL. I can give style. Style is equal to list style hyphen type. colon circle. See here, the entire list will be changed into circle. If you want square, you just give square. Save the file and go to browser, just give F5. So the list will be changed into square type marker, right? So this is an unordered list. By same way, if you want to use circle means you have to use circle, or if you want to use disk means by default it will be displayed in a disk format, right? So the unordered list can be explained with the help of an example. So the fruits name will be displayed by using an unordered list. So the list of fruits will be displayed by using a bulleted points. I hope it is clear. Next we move on to description list. So description is list is a third type of list. I can explain. So description list is a DL tag is used to describe the description list, so which is used to organize the list of items with their definitions. So within this description list we can able to mark the DT tag. DT tag means data tag. That means while their explanations are placed inside the DD tag. So here the DT tag for defining the DL tag is used to define the list, and DT tag is used to define the terms, and DD tag is used to give a description about the terms, that is data terms, right? So the syntax for this description list is DL. Here DL is a description list. Inside the DL we can able to mention DT. DT is for data terms, and DD, the description about this data term must be placed inside the DD tag. DD is nothing but description of data. So therefore the description list is used to describe the data terms with the help of description list. So I will show one example. This example will be we can able to implement with the help of HTML. So it starts with HTML head title tag. The title is description list example, so which must be displayed in the top of our web page. Then I can close the header tag, body tag opening, and here I can mention the heading as description list. DL tag is for description list, and DT tag is used to describe the terms, data terms. Here I can use coffee is a data term, and DD is for description of the data term, that is description of the text coffee. Therefore I can describe coffee as a hot drink made from ground coffee beans. So I can close the description. Again I can mention the DT tag. DT tag is used to describe the terms, data terms, that is T is a data term. I can describe tea as a hot or cold beverage made by infusing dried tea leaves in water, which must be given within the description tag, that is DD. Then I can mention the again third one is juice. Juice is a data term. I can describe juice as a drink made from the extraction or pressing of the natural liquid contained in fruit or vegetables. I can close the DD tag. So finally I can close the data description list by using /DL. I can close the body tag and HTML tag. So this will be implemented with the help of HTML program. Just copy this file, just copy, or otherwise you can type using notepad file. You can easily implement this description list. So this is the output for this program. See here the description list. So this is a heading of description list, and coffee is a data term, and description for this is a hot drink made from ground coffee beans. And the second term is tea, a hot or cold beverage made by infusing dried tea leaves in water. And third one is a juice, a drink made from the extraction or pressing of the natural liquid contained in fruit or vegetable. This is a description of the data term juice. So this is the final output for this program. I hope it is clear what is description list, what is unordered list, what is ordered list. So everything we have discussed. So finally I want to show how this description list will look. I just copy this program. I can open Notepad, File, New. I can copy this program and I can save using File Save. I can save description list.html. I can save and I can open. See here, this is a heading and this is a title of your HTML program, and this is a data term, and this is a description of your data term. By this way you can able to describe your list. So when we are building websites, list plays an important role, right? When we are creating web pages or website is a collection of web pages. When we are creating our own web pages or websites or some organized information inside the web page, we can able to use this ordered list. We can also use the CSS for designing purpose. So ordered list is useful for sequentially organize your list items. Unordered list, if there is any sequence is not needed, you can use the unordered list. Or if you want to describe any data items inside the list, you can able to use the description list. So these are the fundamental lists which are used in the HTML program. So I hope this video will be helpful for you to how to sequentially order the items with the help of HTML. Or if you want to build your own web page, you can use this kind of list and you can able to design your web page. There are a lot of programs out there. You can try all these programs. You can list the flowers name, you can list your friend's name, or you can able to list your hobbies. So these are some of the examples. You can try all these examples in your computer and you can able to understand the list, understand and you can able to see the output, and you can include some smaller tags like bold, italic, underline. I hope with the help of this you can easily understand what is list and how to implement the list with the help of HTML program. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video.